Welcome to Cannondale Studio. Guys, this is the last episode of the series of films about painting our vintage Cannondale F600 and it's really a shame because the bike looked awesome in that white paint, but it was kind of failure because when the stickers were put on the paint would come off just in the area where the stickers was put on. So I decided to show you all these ingredients I used for that painting, all about how many hours I would wait between different phases of that painting or different jobs like preparing or primering or anything. I'm telling you that on those previous episodes, but here I'm showing you what was actually used to make that paint done. You don't see two things. You don't see one that should be here, and that's the paint remover, and one should be here, that's the actual paint, but it's no problem, I'm gonna explain to you all of that. I was using the products of two different manufacturers. One is called Gold Car, and the Polish distributor is the CSV company. It's like CSV Group, and I think they operate at least in Europe. So that's the one, it's called Gold Car, and that's that company name was also put on the remover. The remover is awesome. It cost around $6 or €4, and it worked great. This one is that's the degreaser, or actually the silicone remover. So this one I was using between different phases of my work so that there would be no grease on the frame. Alright, the next one, same company, Gold Car, that's the filler for aluminum. So this one is made specifically for the aluminum, and as you can see, you could see on the second, I think, part of this playlist, that frame had some dent, and this thing, man, it just works great. This is the some chemical hardener, and this is the actual filler with some aluminum parts in it, like very tiny little parts of aluminum. So this one is for aluminum, like frame, for example. It can be used for cars, of course. Then the next one was it's like a primer, but it was the primer I was told to use only after I used that filler. So in the area where the filler was, I used 2 layers of this one. So as you can see, it's still almost full because I used very little of that. And that's the other brand. It's Car System. You can see also this brand here. It's a German one, like Voss-Chemie. That's how they call it in German. You can see it here. The brand Voss-Chemie GmbH. From Uetersen, and the website is carsystem.org. On carsystem.org you can find all those products. So that was 2 layers of this one only on the filler and that area, so that the frame will be like evenly covered with the paint after that. And the next one was the primer. So the primer was preparing the surface of the frame for the actual paint. It's the same company, Car System, like Voss-Chemie, and also carsystem.org. That's the website. If you're concerned of what it contains, the only thing you can find here is that it contains acetone and butyl acetate, but it's for both primers. Here is the description, but you will find all those infos on carsystem.org. And then the last one was the actual paint made by same brand, Car System, and it wasn't simply a paint that you can just buy in the store. It was the acrylic paint, but that paint was prepared specifically for me, and it was prepared like half an hour before I actually painted my frame. So I ordered the paint, they put some chemical hardener on that, into that spray, and then I would pick up the spray, like it was like Saturday 9:30, and 10 o'clock I was painting my frame. So all these things I was doing according to the guidelines of that store, and they know what they're doing because they are painting cars and they are painting motorcycles. And I was told that this paint, acrylic paint with the hardener, would be quite hard and just okay for the bicycle. What went wrong? I don't know. I was really precise with all the job, and I was always in clean gloves, and I was always using this degreaser, and I was told this one, like silicone remover, will be just fine for that job. So I just don't know, guys, and it's really a shame because that white frame looked really awesome. I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think about it? And you've been asking me lots of questions about what did I actually use. So these are the things I'm using. And once more, if you would like to find those products, the first one is CSV Group. That was the remover, very strong, very nice. And the other one is carsystem.org. So awesome, really awesome project, and it was quite cheap and nice bike and light bike, but unfortunately the paint was kind of failure. So I'm gonna learn from that, and I will be definitely doing some more projects in the future, but I will definitely use also some other type of paint. We'll see how it goes. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. Thanks for watching, and that's the end of this playlist of the F600 project. Regards from Cannondale, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.